Are you looking for a side hustle? Want to generate a passive income, but you're just not sure which online business to get into? There's a lot of noise around making money with AI, and not all of it's genuine. Too much clickbait. But today, we're going to reveal a little-known online business that can generate thousands per month. This is a tried and tested method that hustlers are already using to earn a good living. And the best part is you don't need any special skills, experience, or equipment to crack it. But don't get it twisted, folks. Any genuine way to make money online is going to take time and energy. So don't be fooled by the pot of gold posts you'll find all over social media. If it was as easy as they all say, everyone would be doing it. We're here to kick it realistic, so let's dive in. We're going to show you how to make money selling AI-generated Tumblr artwork. And if you need a little reassurance that this niche is profitable and worth your time, head to Etsy.com and search for Tumblr artwork. You'll find these products are sold in huge quantities, from the hundreds to tens of thousands, so the margins are going to be high. And to prove this is an active, well-performing niche, just click on any of the latest products and you'll find people are actively buying them right now. So, how do you make and sell these products using AI? One of the important aspects of this online AI business is to create stunning products that will make you stand out from the competition. And to do that, all you have to do is use one of the many text-to-image generators out there. So you've got two options. If you have some spare cash, you can invest in something like Midjourney. But if you don't want to spend a penny, go for Dall E using Bing Image Creator or maybe Leonardo AI. For more info on AI image generators, check out our Text-to-Image AI Tools playlist. We've covered a fair few paid and free AI tools right there. And team, whilst you're there, please hit that subscribe button for more on top AI tools. In this video, we're going to head to Bing Image Creator, which is powered by Dall E. This tool is considered to be one of the very best AI tools available right now. In order to use Bing Image Creator, you'll need to log into a Microsoft account. Once you're in, you can use this tool to create Tumblr artwork in any niche category or theme you want, all free of charge. Here's how you do it. Think of a prompt or keyword that you want to use as the inspiration for your image. Then type your prompt into the Bing Image Creator search bar and hit enter. Bing Image Creator will then generate a number of images based on your prompt. Scroll through these images and select the ones you like best. Here are some examples of prompts you could use to create Tumblr artwork with Bing Image Creator. Anime girl with long pink hair and purple eyes wearing a black hoodie, or a psychedelic cat melting into a puddle of orange paint. Just have fun and be creative. And here's some bonus tips for getting the most out of Bing Image Creator. Use specific and descriptive prompts. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. And if you want text within your image, include it in your prompt. Using a free AI tool means you can work it until you're happy, so keep experimenting with your prompts. Once you're done and you have your image, you can download it and then customize it. Photopea is a free alternative to Photoshop. Most of these editors have a healing tool that'll fix your chosen image. Now that your products are ready, you've got two options. Either sell digital prints of the images you just made, or sell physical products. If you just want to sell digital products, set up an online store using Shopify or Etsy. But if you want to sell physical products, you'll have to use a print-on-demand site like Printify. They'll take care of the manufacturing, shipping, and returns. And Printify is connected with Etsy, so these two options together would make most sense. To set up an Etsy store, you'll need to create an account and choose a shop name. You'll also need to provide some information about your shop, such as your location and the types of products that you sell. Once you've created your shop, you can start adding your products. First off, upload the images of your products. On Etsy, you can upload up to 10 images per listing. Take good quality photos of your artwork and make sure they're well lit and in focus. Next, write a clear, informative, and persuasive product description. Accurately describe your products and highlight their features. You can use ChatGPT or Google Bard to help you write a product description and ask it to include relevant keywords to boost your SEO ranking. When setting prices for your products, consider your costs, your desired profit margin, and the prices of similar products on Etsy. Now that your online store is set up, you'll need to promote it and drive traffic to it. One of the most effective and popular ways to do this is by using social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. These platforms are ideal for showcasing your Tumblr artwork. Use hashtags and proactively answer any queries to attract more potential customers. Here are some additional tips for promoting your online store. Run paid advertising campaigns on social media and search engines. Partner with other artists and businesses in your niche. Offer discounts and promotions to attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases. Write blog posts and articles about your artwork and your creative process. Attend art shows and other events where you can showcase your work and meet potential customers. Follow this step-by-step guide, and you'll be on your way to making money online.